Hi all, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, Razorpay is hiring through us. Let's see for which role they are hiring for. They are hiring for junior analyst role and in the departments of support and operations. Let's see who are eligible for this. So when talking about the eligibility criteria, any graduate or any postgraduate from 2018 or 2019 or 2020 who are having minimum of 55% aggregate, whether it could be in graduation or it could be in post graduation. Let's talk about the job description part. Let's talk about the first point: resolve customer tickets over Freshdesk, call, live chat and social media. The second point is quick turnaround time to answer customer queries and maintain the right categorization of tickets. And let's talk about the third point: identify and access customers' needs to achieve customer satisfaction and deliver quality responses. So mostly if you can see, it's a pure support job role. Coming to the fourth point, follow communication procedures and guidelines. And the next point is go the extra mile to engage customers and keep them happy. And the next one is collect and pass feedback to the respective stakeholders, bring in impactful solutions. And the last point is you will be able to interact with some of the largest new age businesses in the country, including e-commerce, travel, that all we support. So here they are clearly saying that who will exactly fit for this role, who we think will be a great fit. So let's talk about that. So you have a passion to get things done and you are process oriented. You like to work in collaboration in a team but are independent enough to take quick decisions on your own. You're always the first one to adopt changes and explore new tools. You like to learn new things and want to work with smart people and have fun building something great. If this sounds like you are the right fit for Razorpay. So here are some add-ons where companies looking for knowledge about a customer support app or CRM such as Freshdesk. And second one is interpersonal skill, especially during the phone and email. And the third point is communication skills, exceptional verbal and written communication. And the next point is listening skills, understand, anticipate and resolve customer inquiries and issues in a friendly, helpful manner. And the next point is attention to detail and accuracy, excellent organization skills and multitasking skills. And the next point is customer service orientation, passionate about customers, care as much about the customer as the organization, strong affinity for people and the ability to get along with everyone. And the next point is take initiatives, quickly and thoroughly solve customer problems when deliveries, transaction and experience do not go 100% as planned. And the last and important point is flexible to work in shifts and on weekends as well. The salary is 2.4 to 3.5 LPA and in this situation it's a damn good salary to start your career with. And coming to the work location, it's Bangalore. So guys, a lot of competition will be there as companies looking for graduates and also postgraduates, whereas a number of candidates can apply for this. And in also other side that this company is literally allowing any graduate from 2018, 2019 and 2020 as well. So it's a great opportunity for you. Do not miss this opportunity. I'll be keeping this link in the description below. Please go there, apply and crack the interview. All the best. We are coming up with much more interesting videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.